up, everybody? It's your boy Locked and Loaded, and today we are here. We just made it to the range. We're about to go ahead and get set up. Start with some pistol stuff, then some ARs, and then some trap shooting. So let's see what we do. All right, so I'm out here at the 25-yard range. We're gonna be starting with our M18 with our 21 round mag, shooting some 115 grain F&J rounds. So let's see how we do. And now we're loaded, so let's see how we do. I love this thing.
That gun?
It feels so good, man. There's nothing. I will say, I'm trying to find this trigger again. So I'm used to my flat trigger and my other one. So my finger feels super weird right now. Clear. M18, I definitely love this pistol. It's one of the softest shooting pistols I've ever owned. And let's go and take a look at the target, I guess. So, target, it looks a little all over the place, but if you think about it, if this was a body-sized target, they would all be hits. So I feel good about that. I didn't miss. So, all right, so of course, he's gonna make me shoot at his SP5. This gun needs no introduction, so let's see how it feels. Take this away from me. No. It's like the perfect gun. It's so beautiful. This thing is beautiful, y'all. I swear it is. We'll finish out this. Good old SP5, y'all. I'm hoping that one day he wants to sell this, and hopefully we can add this in our arsenal. Has a threaded barrel. I would love to see this with a can. So we'll see. We'll see. So this is my gun case. So just going down the line, this first one is my everyday carry. So I don't have that in the case right now, but it's a SIG P365 XL. Above, it's my first AR that I built. It's in 5.56 with a PDW style brace. I have my 300 Blackout that I just recently acquired. So today is the first day I'll be shooting it with a Holosun red dot on it. And then of course, the M18. So M18 is one of my favorite pistols for sure. Super soft shooting. Holds 21. It's just, look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. And yes, this is clear. Okay, cool. All right, so we're testing out our 300 Blackout. Got us loaded up with the tape, of course, because you got to know which mag is 5.56 and 300. That's a big accident, but let's see what we do. And it's hot. First shot, center mass.
Shit. I bumped it. You're over here.
Oh man, okay.
I gotta find you.
I'm gonna go one more and see.
You were like literally straight down right there.
In the top right circle?
Top right, under the circle.
Okay, okay. Go one more and see.
Okay.
Still there.
So yeah, you're still high and right.
All right, so I have to come down and left.
No. I
think I'm good.
Yeah.
Where that is.
Yeah, I mean, you look at that. That's smaller than a coffee cup.
Yeah.
So I'd call that acceptable.
That was 300 blackout. So again, we were sighting in the red dot sight. At first, it wasn't even hidden paper, but now we got it. You said about how many inches you think?
It's probably about a 3-inch.
About a 3-inch group, so that's cool. And lastly, we're gonna do a couple 5.56 rounds, and we'll be done with that. So for this test, we're gonna be using our 5.56. This is the AR that I built, with the Maximum Defense style PDW brace, AR pistol, and I'm actually using a $50 red dot sight. So I'm gonna see how this holds up as compared to like a Holocene or whatever. So consider this, I guess, a review. Here we go.
I lost it.
Okay, go again. Here we go.
That was, I'm like 99% sure that was like right here.
Okay.
So, yeah, there's just too many, I'm just trying to pick up.
Yeah.
I can't
It's a lot.
see.
We're cold, by the way. All right, so now we're about to do some trap shooting. Again, I've never done this before. We have 2 shotguns here. Again, shout out to my guy Chris. He brought me out here where he has a membership at this outdoor range. Super dope facility. If you're in Minnesota, let me know. Maybe we can come out here. But yeah, we're gonna shoot some traps. I don't think I'm gonna hit nothing. But we're gonna try. So enjoy the footage. Oh! I think I hit it. Oh! 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 This is new for me. That was fun though. So we are going to be shooting semi-auto. Still doing some trap. This thing is beautiful, y'all. This is a beautiful shotgun. I don't know how well you'll be able to see it. This is beautiful wood grain. So let's and it has a nice old fiber optic on there. So let's see how it goes. Whoa!
That's a 6-6 and a kick for that son of a bitch.
Whoa! 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 I love that.
You only missed one, and
Yeah,
it was the one that went far right.
Yeah. Hopefully y'all enjoyed the content. If you did, be sure to drop a like on the video. Let me know if you want to see more of it. Big shout out to my friend Chris for bringing me out here. He's the natural shooter. I'm learning from him. So
He's natural.
I know. But again, if you enjoyed it, be sure to drop a like on the video, and I'll see y'all next time.